What if everything you were taught about money was designed to keep you working for it for the rest of your life? What if the greatest financial trap is not poverty, not lack of education, and not even bad luck, but a belief so common that millions never question it? Every morning, countless people wake up, rush to work, exchange their time for money, and repeat the cycle year after year. They dream of financial freedom, yet they spend decades chasing paychecks that disappear as quickly as they arrive. The shocking truth is that many people work harder every year but never become truly wealthy. This is the lesson that transformed the lives of millions and became one of the most powerful ideas ever shared in the world of personal finance. The core lesson of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is simple, yet it challenges everything society teaches about success. The rich do not work for money. Instead, they learn how to make money work for them. At first, this idea sounds impossible. After all, most people believe that earning more money is the answer to every financial problem. They seek promotions, overtime hours, second jobs, and higher salaries. Yet despite these efforts, many remain trapped in a cycle of financial pressure. The reason is that income alone rarely creates wealth. Wealth is created when money begins producing more money without requiring constant labor. This is where the mindset of the wealthy separates itself from the mindset of the average worker. The wealthy understand that every dollar can become an employee working 24 hours a day. Instead of spending all their earnings, they focus on acquiring assets that generate cash flow. While others buy liabilities that drain their resources, they invest in opportunities that put money back into their pockets. This shift in thinking may seem small, but it changes everything. Robert T. Kiyosaki emphasized that financial freedom begins in the mind long before it appears in a bank account. The moment a person stops asking, "How can I earn more money?" and starts asking, "How can my money earn more money?" a new journey begins. It is a journey away from dependence and toward ownership. It is a journey from trading time for income to building systems that create income automatically. Many people never make this transition because they are taught to seek security above all else. They are encouraged to follow safe paths, avoid risks, and depend on salaries. Yet true financial growth often requires learning skills that schools rarely teach, including investing, understanding assets, managing risk, and recognizing opportunities. The wealthy are not necessarily smarter than everyone else. Often they simply see money differently. They understand that money is a tool, not a goal. A paycheck is temporary, but an income-producing asset can continue working long after the effort that created it has ended. This idea has inspired millions because it reveals a path that was hidden in plain sight. It suggests that financial freedom is not reserved for a lucky few. It begins with a decision to think differently about money, work, and the future. Yet there is a hidden force that prevents most people from embracing this lesson, and understanding that force may be the difference between financial struggle and financial freedom. It is not a lack of intelligence. It is not a lack of opportunity. It is fear. Fear quietly influences financial decisions every day. Fear of losing money causes people to avoid investing. Fear of making mistakes keeps them from learning new skills. Fear of uncertainty convinces them to remain in situations that no longer serve their dreams. The rich recognize fear, but they do not allow it to control their future. Instead, they treat fear as a signal that growth is possible. This mindset is one of the most overlooked lessons in the journey toward wealth. Most people spend years working harder, believing that effort alone will eventually solve their financial problems. They sacrifice time, energy, and sometimes even health in pursuit of a larger paycheck. However, a surprising reality begins to emerge. The harder they work for money, the more dependent they become on earning it. Their lifestyle expands with their income. Their expenses increase. Their responsibilities grow. And before they realize it, they are running faster on a financial treadmill that never stops. This is where the story becomes truly fascinating. Imagine two individuals earning the same amount of money. One spends nearly everything on expenses that create no future return. The other consistently directs a portion of income toward assets that generate cash flow. In the beginning, their lives appear almost identical. Months pass, then years. Slowly, an invisible gap begins to form between them. One remains dependent on every paycheck, while the other starts receiving income from investments, businesses, or other assets. At first, The difference is barely noticeable. Then something remarkable happens. The income-producing assets begin generating enough money to purchase additional assets. The process gains momentum. Wealth starts compounding. Financial freedom no longer seems like a distant fantasy, but a realistic destination. This is the moment many people never see because they quit too early. They expect immediate results in a world where wealth is often built gradually. They underestimate the power of consistency and overestimate the value of short-term rewards. The suspense of financial success lies in the fact that the greatest transformation often occurs just before people are ready to give up. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, or wealth builder eventually reaches a stage where progress feels invisible. Results seem small, efforts appear unrewarded, doubts become louder. Yet beneath the surface, foundations are being built, seeds are taking root, momentum is gathering strength. The wealthy understand that wealth creation is rarely dramatic in the beginning. It is often quiet, patient, and almost unnoticed. They focus on the process instead of chasing immediate gratification. They understand that assets require time to grow, just as a tree requires time before it bears fruit. While many people seek quick solutions, the rich focus on long-term systems. They know that true wealth is not created by a single lucky event, but by repeated intelligent decisions made over many years. This realization changes everything because it shifts attention away from temporary income and toward lasting financial independence. The question is no longer how hard a person can work today. The question becomes how effectively today's effort can create opportunities that continue producing value tomorrow, next year, and for decades to come. The most powerful part of this lesson is that it can be applied regardless of where a person begins. Wealth is not determined solely by current income, social status, or background. It is shaped by financial habits, knowledge, and the willingness to think differently from the crowd. Every great financial journey starts with a simple realization: money should be a servant, not a master. The moment people understand this principle, they begin seeing opportunities where they once saw obstacles. They stop measuring success only by the size of a paycheck and start evaluating the strength of their assets. They learn to distinguish between things that consume money and things that produce money. This awareness becomes a turning point because every financial decision begins to align with a larger vision. Instead of chasing temporary appearances, they focus on lasting value. Instead of seeking immediate comfort, they prioritize future freedom. The lesson that the rich do not work for money is not an invitation to avoid effort. In fact, it often requires more learning, discipline, and patience than traditional approaches. The difference is that effort becomes directed toward building systems rather than remaining trapped within them. Every asset acquired becomes another step toward independence. Every skill learned increases the ability to recognize opportunities. Every intelligent investment creates the potential for future growth. Over time, these small actions accumulate into significant results. The beauty of compounding is that it rewards consistency more than perfection. A person does not need to make flawless decisions. They simply need to keep moving in the right direction. This is why financial education remains one of the most valuable investments anyone can make. Knowledge helps transform uncertainty into confidence and confusion into clarity. It enables people to see possibilities that were invisible before. As Robert T. Kiyosaki often teaches, the greatest asset a person can possess is not money itself, but the ability to understand how money works. When financial intelligence grows, opportunities become easier to recognize and easier to act upon. The future begins to look different because dependence gradually gives way to choice. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your financial well-being is supported not only by your labor, but also by assets that continue generating value. Imagine having the freedom to spend more time with family, pursue meaningful goals, contribute to causes you care about, and make decisions based on purpose rather than financial pressure. This vision is what motivates so many people to embrace a new way of thinking about money. It is not merely about becoming rich, it is about creating freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. The lesson from Rich Dad. Poor Dad continues to inspire millions because it challenges people to question assumptions they have accepted for years. It encourages them to move beyond survival and begin building a future intentionally. The path may not always be easy, and results may not appear immediately, but every asset acquired, every skill developed, and every informed decision made becomes a brick in the foundation of financial freedom. The journey starts with a shift in perspective, grows through consistent action, and eventually transforms into a life where money works harder than the person earning it. That is the true power behind the idea that changed millions of lives and continues to inspire generations around the world. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.